Hi everyone, Todd down at Motor Sportsland. Today I would like to introduce you guys to the brand new 2026 Stealth 2900. There's been a few tweaks to it this year. Made some improvements in my opinion, so let's take a look and see what you guys think. First thing you're going to notice, this is a 36-foot long bumper pull toy hauler. So you've got one of their bigger toy haulers, tons of space inside for the toys. First thing you're going to notice though is this great big awning out here. Tons of space, going to give you tons of shade. It's a nice hot day here in Salt Lake. We're in the 90s. It's really nice to have all that shade out here, keep you cool. Same thing when you're going to be out playing with your toys. They've moved to the nice glass doors here. These are a little bit more durable, as well as they just look really slick. And then your new dump stairs here. So when you get dirt on these, before you put them all up, you just flip those over and dump all the dirt off before it goes up into the cab. And then you've got the new extended handrail. So you've got a handrail all the way down to the bottom. As we look along, they've moved the fuel center to this side of the rig, which I like. Usually you've got your toys all sitting out over here. So fuel pump is here. You actually fill the fuel on the roadside though. So I think that's a good improvement. I like it better over here on this side. They are running the CRE 3000 on the linkage, the MORride system. So that's a beefier linkage. It's also a wet linkage, so they've got zerts on it. You can grease those as you go. That's going to make this trailer travel a whole lot better. As we slide forward here, you're going to see we've got two entrances on this. So you've got your main cargo and kitchen area entrance, and then this one goes straight to the bedroom. Again, glass door on this. It's going to hold up really well. They did the fold-in stairs here because it's a little tighter next to the bed. They didn't have as much room to put in the new solid steps there. And then this is going to be your on-demand water heater. I'm sorry. This is your on-demand water heater. It's the Suburban, one of the best ones out on the market right now. As long as you have water, you can have hot water. This will keep up with it. And then you'll notice they're using the manual crank down. You just bring your cordless drill and put a socket on those. So you've got manual crank down stabilizers on all four corners. So this is where they have made one of the big changes this year. And at first I wasn't sure, but as I'm looking at it now, I really like it. So they've moved the cargo doors up front for the generator and for your cargo area. And it was kind of a different concept, but I started looking at it. What it allows it to do is have much bigger opening here. So as you've got chairs and stuff, you're trying to get in here, it's going to have a nice big opening versus a smaller door from this side. So I actually really like this, that all your cargo, and it's facing forward. So if it doesn't get latched, it's not going to be blowing open while you're driving. The wind's going to be keep pushing it shut. Two big 30-pound propane tanks. So you'll be able to take tons of propane with you. And then you're running the NPS 6,000 watt generator on these. Okay, and it's all right here, exhausted right here, super nice. I also do like, I don't know if you can see in here, but they've moved where the spare tire is right up in the frame here, so it's protected. Being a toy hauler, you might be going down some rougher roads. By not having that hanging down low in the back, it's not going to drag on anything. It's all protected right up here in the frame. Okay, as we spin around here, another really nice feature is going to be this docking center here. So this we see a lot on fifth wheels, not so much on bumper pulls, but this is nice. You can run all your hoses up in here and hook on. Up in here you've got hot and cold water, and then all I like to call these are Lego instructions for your tanks. It doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're dry camping, just put them in that order. Everything works. You don't have to overthink which valve's got to be turned which way. So I really like this, that it's all nice and clean. You can close it, lock it, nobody messes with it while you're camping. Okay, this has one slide out on it. This is a rack and pinion slide this year, which is one of your best, strongest systems. All of your drain valves are right underneath here. It's a little easier to see when that slides in, but they're all right there. And all the valves are up above your insulation line. So you've got pull handles underneath there, but no water sitting under your insulation line. So again, better for cold water use. Okay. Nice blacked out wheels. I think it's a really good look this year to it. Prepped for a Lippert ladder if you wanted to get a telescopic ladder and hook on there. Fully walkable roof if you need to get up there and do maintenance. And then as we swing around to the back here, notice your big ramp door. We are prepped for a backup camera that we can add on there, super easy if you want to be able to see what's going on right behind you while you're driving, or when you're backing up. It's really nice. All spring assist on the ramp door, so it's easy up and easy down. Let's go inside and take a look how beautiful it is inside. Okay, here we are inside the 2900 Stealth. First thing you're going to notice, this is an all-in-one. We've got 15'7" as far as cargo space here is length, and 86 inches wide of usable space. So there's not a lot of machines out there that won't fit into this rig, which is the beauty of it. The main slides on the kitchen, we'll show you that in a minute. We've got 2 floating captain's chairs back here with a removable table, and then you've got your entertainment system here, all JBL audio, and then your fireplace. Now the fireplace is also electric heater, so if you are on power or you got your gen running, that'll put out 5,000 BTUs of electric heat for you to save some of your propane. As we slide to the back, you're going to see we've got the big queen bunk overs here, and then the 2 benches that'll also make into another bed if you want it. All in the back here, we do have the railing kit for the patio. We'll get that all set down and show you that all set up here in a minute. You notice you're going to have real nice big cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling, tons of storage. A lot of these toy haulers, you'll see they'll cut that off about 10 inches to the top. It's nice to have these go all the way up. Same thing on this side, cabinets all the way down. So tons and tons of storage on this unit. A new thing for 26 too are going to be these tie downs. They've gone to a much bigger, beefier tie down here. So it's going to hold a lot better and hold those toys more secure for you. Let's flip around and take a look at the kitchen because it's beautiful on this thing. Okay, so here we are on the kitchen side of this rig. So the main slide on this is going to be right here. It's all the kitchen. So it doesn't take up any of your cargo space for your toy hauling. When this slides out, it's going to create this nice peninsula kitchen for you. You're going to have a huge stainless steel farm sink here. As you wrap around, we've got a 3-burner cooktop and a convection microwave oven. Again, really nice cabinets with glass fronts to them, nice magnetic closures. As we swing to this side, you're going to get the Furrion 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt fridge. So this is going to run 12 volts, super efficient. It's going to keep everything nice and cold for you. And then on this side here, again, we've got cabinets floor to ceiling. So tons of space there. As we back up, you'll notice the door right here. This has a pass-through bathroom, so you can get to it from both the bedroom and from the cargo kitchen side. So that makes it super nice, especially when the slide is in. If you need to stop at a rest stop and use your own restroom, you can come in through the second door on the outside and get into your restroom without putting slides or anything out. Okay, so here we are in the bedroom of this unit. First thing you're gonna notice is the great big king bed. Tons of space in here for sleeping. Second air conditioner in here, so you've got your own air conditioning for just this bedroom. It's going to keep you nice and cool while you sleep. Again, nice big cabinets overhead with the glass doors on it. Wardrobe on that side. We've got 12 volt power by the head of each bed, so you can charge your phones and have them up close to you. And then 110 power here on this side as well. We're prepped for a TV up on this wall here to the left of me, so if you want to add another TV here. And then again, this is a pass-through bathroom, so you can access this bathroom from the bedroom or from the cargo side. All right, so here we are in the bathroom. First thing you're going to notice is the really big corner shower here with a full glass enclosure. So none of that shower curtain touching you when you're showering, getting cold. That's horrible. All glass enclosure with magnetic hooks on it. Super nice shower. Skylight above, give you even a little extra headroom. You swing over to this side, you're going to have a nice stainless steel sink. So this is an area a lot of manufacturers will chintz out a little bit and save some money. Put a plastic sink in here. Not these guys, you've got a nice stainless steel sink. This is going to hold up over time. Nice medicine cabinet built in here. You put a bunch of your toiletries in there. And then your on-demand water heater control is right here. So again, on-demand water, so as long as you have water, you can have hot water with these. You set the temperature as to what you want it to come up right here. And then as we spin around, we'll show you there's another cabinet behind the toilet, as well as they're using porcelain toilets now. So again, it's just going to hold up better over time for you. This is on that other side of the bathroom here. Nice big cabinets here. Store some towels, whatever you need here. But again, going almost all the way up to the ceiling on this. And then you're going to a nice Dometic porcelain toilet, no plastic here. Okay, so here we are with the back patio down. This is obviously your main loading ramp. You put the cables on and it creates this nice patio space for you. Nice railing kit here. You can get in and out, super easy. This thing sets up in just seconds. But it's nice, gives you this nice space here where you can be outside enjoying the outdoors without necessarily being down in the dirt and the sand. You do have one of these on each side. You've got your tent material that you can drop down. These do have a screen and a rain fly here, so you can shut that all down, keep bugs and stuff from getting into your trailer while you're enjoying the outside. So that is the brand new 2026 Stealth 2900 toy hauler. Brand new, it's at our Mill Creek lot. Come on down, I'd love to show it to you. We've got a lot here in Mill Creek and one down in Spanish Fork. Or jump online and you can see all the current prices on all our trailers on motorsportsland.com. Thanks.